how to use TikTok user search. So if you want to use TikTok user search, then you can simply open up your TikTok application. And after opening your TikTok, now on the upper right side, you will have the search icon, right? You can simply tap on that search icon, and this is your TikTok user search, right? So you can simply use this search bar to search about anything. Like you can search for a song, and then you can choose that song, and you can make some videos on that song, or you can simply search for any TikTok user ID. So for example, I'll be choosing this name, and here you can simply go to users, and then you will have all of the users under this name. And if you know someone, then you can simply tap on follow, or you can also go for videos, and here under the videos, if you have a song on this word or on this name, then you will have all of this here. You can simply choose a video, and then you can simply make a video from here. Or you can also go for sounds, or you can go for live, and you can also go for hashtags. So you can use all of these hashtags. So that's it. These were the uses of that user search. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.